Hey, good morning, hybrid group. This is Mrs. Thomas talking. I just wanted to post this video to kind of explain our day for today. So, our day is going to start at 7:25 this morning. When you get on to Barren Time and watch this video, you're going to have some asynchronous work to do from 7:25 until 8 o'clock. So from 7:25 to 8 o'clock, you are going to take the STAR reading test. So if you forget how to go to STAR, you have to go to the Mannheim Central main page. You go to Learners, because that's you. You click STAR. You're going to log in. You're going to click I'm a student. You're going to log in with your username and password. Now this is going to log into my username and password, right, because I'm a teacher. So I'm going to stop here. But when you get logged in, you're going to click STAR Reading, and then you're going to click on Language Arts, Mrs. Thomas. If you forget the password, it is admin, ADMIN, and then you will enter the test. So you will take the test from 7:25 to 8 o'clock. If you finish early, you're just doing independent reading. If you do not finish by 8 o'clock, that's okay. You're going to pause your test, join with our Zoom link for our first session in the morning, and then you will have some time this afternoon to finish it. So once 8 o'clock comes, once your time says 8 o'clock, you're going to come over here, and there is a link in our Barren Time page over here where it says Upcoming Events, and you're going to click that link. When you click that link, it tells us our day, our time. This link will take us from 8 o'clock to 10:05, and the link is right here. So when you click that, it will join. I will let you in at 8 o'clock, and that will be your attendance for the morning. So if you are not on at 8 o'clock with me, then I'll have to mark you absent. If you're having internet issues, or you already communicated with me earlier this weekend and told me that you would be coming late, that's totally fine. I will wait for you to join at some point between 8 o'clock and 10:05. So once we join at 8 o'clock, I'll explain to you what our schedule will be like. We're going to have math first and ELA second as usual. You'll take a little break for lunch and to go outside, and then you'll have your block 4. You'll finish with math with me, and then you'll have a little bit of independent work before your day is finished. If you have any questions about what to do, where to go, or how to access any information, please email me or message me on Schoology. I will be on my computer all morning, and I'm looking forward to seeing you guys at 8 o'clock.